Hi, this is a question from an ACT math test that requires the knowledge of fractions and decimals. So the question says that a person called Brown bought meat for his annual office picnic, and he bought three different types of meats: hamburger, chicken, and steak. In the question, they gave you the amount of pounds for each type of meat in different format. As you can see, for the hamburger, the amount of meat bought is 7 3/4 pounds, and we know that this is called mixed number. The other one is the chicken, and the amount of meat pound is in decimal, 17.85 pounds. So this is in decimal format. And the third one is 6.5, which is the steak. Pounds. And they're asking us to find the total by adding them all. However, because they are in two different formats, we cannot directly add them, so we need to convert either the mixed number to a decimal number or the decimal number to a fraction. Now, which one should we do? Usually it all depends on the numbers that we are using. If they're big numbers or small numbers. If they're big numbers, it's better to use decimal. If it's small numbers, then we use fractions. In this case, I would like to actually use decimals. So, for example, the first number, 7 3/4, we know that this can be expressed as it's a mixed number, so it's 7 plus 3/4, and the 6.5 is expressed as 6 plus 1/2. Now, how to convert 3/4 into a decimal? Suppose that you don't know this previously. What do? You take the 3 and divide by 4, use long division. So 3 divided by 4, you cannot do that. You add a 0, and then you add the decimal point. 30 divided by 4, how many 4 in 30? So we have 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, and you get 30 minus 28 is 2. 2 divided by 4, it cannot be done, so you add a 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20, and the remainder is 0. So the answer is 0.75. So this is equal to 0.75. What about the 1/2? How to convert the 1/2 from fraction format to a decimal number? We follow the same approach, and we say we use long division. 1/2. 1 divided by 2 cannot be done. You add a 0 and you add the decimal point. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10, and the remainder is 0. Then 1/2, or 1/2, is expressed in decimal format as 0.5. So now we go back, we say, okay, 7 3/4 is equal to 7 plus 3/4, and that's 7.0 plus 3/4 is 0.75. So if you add them together, this will be 7.75. The other one is 6.5, which is 6 plus 1/2 equal to 6.0 plus 0.5, and the answer is 6.5. And since now all these numbers are converted into decimal, so the total amount of meat is equal to 7.75 plus 17.85 plus 6.5. So we can fill all empty spaces by zeros before we perform the addition operation. So we have 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 0 is 10, 10 and 1 carry over. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 8, 16, plus 5 is 21, so 1 and 2 is carry over. And don't forget to add a decimal point. Then 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 7, 16, plus 6 is 22. 2 is carried over, and then 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 0 is 3. So the answer is 32.1 pounds. That's the total amount of meat bought. So the answer is A. That's it.